This website is running on a brand new server, nginx, Node.js, Next.js, fully configured, deployed and live. I didn't touch a single config file. I gave Claude Code my server IP and it did everything. Setting up a VPS from scratch is one of those tasks every developer dreads. Install Node, configure nginx, set up reverse proxy, manage systemd, services, deal with permissions. You either follow a 30-step tutorial or copy commands you don't fully understand from Stack Overflow. What if you could just tell an AI, here is the server, set it up, and it actually does it? I'm starting with a completely fresh VPS on Hetzner. Ubuntu 24.04, nothing installed, just a blank server with an IP address. Let me prove it's empty. No code, no node, no nginx, no nothing. Just a bare Ubuntu install. So I will just run this command ssh root at my IP. We will run this command. Which node, which nginx, ls www directory, and let's see what we get. So we got just empty response. That's mean it is empty. Now here is the magic part. I'm going to give Claude Code SSH access to this server and tell it what I want. So I am running Claude Code on my Mac. The key thing is here, Claude Code can run terminal commands. That includes SSH. So it can SSH into your server and it can do anything you'd do manually. So I have added this prompt and this is just one prompt. That's it. Now watch. I am saying here I have a fresh Ubuntu VPS at this IP. I can SSH as a root and I want to install Node.js, nginx, create a simple Next.js app, set it up as a systemd service, configure nginx as a separate proxy, make the site live on the server's IP, SSH in and do everything. Don't ask me question, just do it. So it is now asking for the permission. So let Claude run it. It is asking to test connection to the VPS. So I will just allow it. So you can see that it is currently SSHing in my server. It has verified that it can connect and now it is installing the Node.js 22 version and nginx and asking for my permission. So you see that it is showing all of the commands that it is going to run, and below those commands it has mentioned that why it needs our permission to run this command. So it want to install Node.js 22 and nginx on the VPS, and these are the commands that are required for that. Allow it, see what happens. So it is basically updating the system packages, installing nginx. So that's smart. It's getting the infrastructure ready before the app. The Node.js and nginx installed, now creating the Next.js app. And once again it is asking our permission to create and build the Next.js application. For that it is going to go to the opt folder and there it will run the command create next app to create a new Next.js app from scratch, and then it will build it. Allow it. So just watch, it is creating the project directory, initializing the app and building it, and anything that is needed to make that app live. This is where our normal tutorial would have 15 steps and 3 things that break, but Claude Code is just handling everything by itself. And once again asking for a permission. Here the description justification for that permission request is set up systemd service and nginx reverse proxy. So this is my favorite part. It's writing systemd service file from scratch. So if you look at these commands, this code that it is going to create, you see that working directory, environment variables, restart policy, all looks correct. So this is the part most developers get wrong when doing it manually. It's pointing port 80 to the Next.js app on port 3000, removing the default site and testing the config and restarting nginx. So everything just works. Just give it the permission. And now it is verifying, checking that Next.js service is active, nginx is running, and curling the website to confirm that site responds. Just allow it, see what happens. Alright, it says your site is live, returning HTTP 200, and here is the summary. Node.js is using this version and app is located on this path. TypeScript app router systemd service runs on port 3000. Auto restarts on failure. nginx reverse proxy on port 80. Website is live, so let's copy the URL and open in the browser. The moment of truth. It's live, running on server, nginx reverse proxy, Node.js systemd service, all configured from one single prompt. Claude Code ran several commands to set this up. It would have taken me 20 to 30 minutes manually, but it took just 2 minutes maybe or maybe less to complete the same job. But here is what makes this really powerful. What if I want to change something? So for that, I will just ask Claude Code to change homepage heading to deployed by AI and make it live. Hit enter, and it is asking for the permission to read current homepage. So just allow that. So it is looking at the page.tsx file, and now it is asking permission to update heading, rebuild and restart. So it will perform all of these steps by itself in order. So just allow it. Done. The heading now says deployed by AI. It's live at this URL. Let's double check. I'm going to reload. All right, it's updated, rebuilt, live. From my Mac, I didn't SSH in once. Claude Code did everything. So now the question is, should you do this for production? Probably not yet. You want proper CI/CD, environment variables, SSL, and real deployment pipeline for anything serious. But for spinning up a side project, a demo server, a staging environment, this is incredible. What used to take 30 minutes of config file editing now takes one sentence, and the model is only getting better. What it can do today, it will handle in a month. If you want to see me take this further, like adding SSL, setting up a domain, maybe even a full CI/CD pipeline with Claude Code, let me know in the comments. If this saved you time, subscribe and I will see you in the next one.